Hello all. Hello from the city of destiny, Vishakhapatnam. We have a very special guest today with us, Dr. Anjali Saple, who is not only by Vishakhapatnam's first woman plastic surgeon, but also is a multifaceted lady. Due to the course of our interview, she will explain us her journey and also how she juggles between work and life. She's a mother, a teacher, a yoga enthusiast, a cook, an interior designer, and yes, a plastic surgeon as well. So here we have Dr. Anjali Saple, who has so many feathers to her cap. So welcome you, ma'am, to our show, and we would love to hear about your journey and also the challenges that you have faced. So my first question to you for today is, how has your journey been from a homemaker to a plastic surgeon?
Thank you, Reshma, for having me here. So, actually, my journey started in the city of Mumbai, the maximum city where I was born and brought up. I was born into a very conservative Sindhi family, where it was predominantly businessmen. But my parents, both of them, nurtured this dream that I should become a doctor. And after that, once I did my medicine, I guess it was but natural for me to go into surgery because my mother was, in addition to being a homemaker, she was also a very talented seamstress, and she would stitch really stylish clothes in that era. So I guess the art just came from her, and that's when I decided to go into plastic surgery because that's a field where science meets art. So actually, it's not that I was a homemaker that got converted into a plastic surgeon. It was probably both the roles that went on hand in hand. So I think I have to thank my parents for the tenacity that they gave me, the discipline that they gave me, and the values that I was brought up with.
That's really great, Dr. Anjali. సో మీరు ఇక్కడ విశాఖపట్నంలో చాలా ఇయర్స్ నుంచి సర్వ్ చేస్తున్నారు అండ్ ప్లాస్టిక్ సర్జరీ సంథింగ్ దాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ బీన్ సర్వింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఇయర్స్. సో మా ఆడియన్స్ కి మీరు చెప్పగలుగుతారా ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ నుంచి మీరు ఈ ఫీల్డ్ లో ఉన్నారు అండ్ వాట్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ యువర్ బెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫీల్డ్?
సో ఎస్, అంటే నేను ఇక్కడ విశాఖపట్నంలో 2001 2001 కి వచ్చాను. At that time, I was the first lady plastic surgeon of the city, and I think plastic surgery covers everything. There is nothing that plastic surgery does not touch. It covers everything from ante talla nunchi kinda kaal varaku. Plastic surgery covers everything, and it's a mix of both reconstruction as well as cosmetic. So this is, I think, a specialty that is very close to my heart because any problem in the patient can be actually dealt with in a unique way by every plastic surgeon. So every plastic surgeon will have a unique kind of a solution to a problem. So that gives us that individuality and a unique way of dealing with a problem in a patient that is similar to what we face in life, right? So if I face a challenge, my response to it would be totally different from what you would be when you are faced with a challenge. So that, I think, is something that is really special to the field of plastic surgery.